The talking abilities of budgerigars, big intelligence in a small bird introduction. Budgerigars, Melopsittacus undulatus, one of the smallest members of the parrot family, are well known not only for their colorful feathers and playful behavior, but also for their remarkable ability to mimic human speech. Especially male budgies, when provided with proper environmental conditions and social interaction, can learn dozens or even hundreds of words. But how exactly do these tiny birds talk? What biological and behavioral factors contribute to this fascinating skill? Can budgies really talk? Yes, budgies can talk. However, the term talk here refers to their ability to mimic human sounds rather than understanding and using human language in a meaningful way. Budgerigars are excellent mimics. They can reproduce words and phrases they hear regularly, particularly from their owners, due to their strong social instincts and vocal learning capabilities. The scientific basis of speech ability. Budgerigars' speech abilities are rooted in a specialized region in their brains known as the song system or vocal learning centers. This neural network, which is particularly developed in parrots and some songbirds, allows them to recognize, memorize, and reproduce complex sounds. Additionally, social bonding plays a crucial role in language learning. A budgie that spends a lot of time with humans begins to view them as part of its flock and attempts to communicate through mimicry. Why are males better at talking? In the wild, male budgies produce more elaborate and melodic calls to attract females. As a result, they generally have more advanced vocal mimicry skills than females. While female budgies can also learn to talk, they are typically less vocal and less eager to mimic human speech. How to teach a budgie to talk? Teaching a budgie to talk requires patience, repetition, and consistency. Here are some basic steps. Start young. Budgies between 2 to 6 months old are more receptive to learning. Use simple words. Start with short, repetitive words like hello or pretty bird. Speak clearly and calmly. Consistent, clear repetition helps the bird learn sounds faster. Positive reinforcement. Reward attempts at speech with treats or affection. Bonding is key. The stronger the bird's bond with its owner, the more likely it is to try to talk. How many words can they learn? The most talkative recorded budgie, named Puck, reportedly learned 1,728 words, earning a place in the Guinness Book of World Records. 1995. However, an average pet budgie typically learns between 10 and 50 words, depending on the time and effort spent on training. The limits of budgie speech. While budgies can repeat words, they do not fully understand their meanings. That said, many budgies can learn to use certain words or phrases in appropriate contexts. For example, some may say hello when they see their owner or good bird when being rewarded. Conclusion. Budgerigars' talking abilities elevate them from simply being cute pets to impressively intelligent creatures. With strong social instincts and an advanced mimicry system, they continue to fascinate both bird lovers and researchers. With proper attention, training, and affection, a budgie can become a delightful companion, and perhaps even your chatty little friend.